The library has access to a research tool called the Ebsco Discovery Search, and this is a handy tool to use because it searches across all of our electronic resources. So if you're looking for ebooks, if you're looking for articles, you can search for both of those things in one search rather than having to search the catalog for our ebooks and then going into our databases to search for articles. So to get to the EDS, click on the Articles and E-Information link on the library's homepage, and then you'll come to the search box for the EDS under Search All E-Resources. This is where you can type in your subject. In this case, I'm doing Jane Austen and social norms, and it will default to a keyword search. So when I search those keywords, it will return my list of results by order of relevance to those key terms. On the left-hand side, I have multiple different ways I can search, or I can limit my search, I should say. I can go ahead and limit by year or a time frame. So in this case, I'm going to do the last 10 years. I also have an option to limit by what type of source. I can search ebooks and academic journals. Now I have results that are specific to my search criteria. So all of those limits that I indicated on the left-hand side. So I have my ebooks, and I also have an academic journal. And what's nice about this EDS too is it indicates to you, or it labels what type of source you're looking at. So this is an ebook, this is an academic journal. So it's right up front, so you know exactly what you're looking at. So if I were to look at this academic journal article, it looks like I have an option where I can download that full text. The ebook is the same thing. I have a PDF, I can download it. And what's also handy with the ebooks, you have a link to the table of contents, so you can see what the chapters are in the book, and then you also have a link, it's labeled most relevant pages from the book. So what this does is it goes through the book and it will show you where your keywords, where your subject is in that book. So it brings you right to those pages where it talks about your topic. So that can be a handy tool to use too when you're doing your research. If you come across something that is not full text, you don't have an option to download the PDF from this database, you do have something called the Full Text Finder. And what that does is it will reroute you or redirect you to one of our other databases where that article is full text. So in this case, Shamelessness and Jane Austen is available in ProQuest, in the social sciences, and also in the psychology database. So you have access to the full text in any of those other databases. Just a reminder, when you use any of our databases, you will need to log in with your Madai1 username and password. If you run into problems using the EDS, or if you have questions about using that or the databases or any research questions, please ask a librarian and we would be more than happy to help you.